Old family photos are precious. However, they get dusty, stained, and faded. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to clean old photos in 3 different ways. In addition, you'll learn how to preserve them for future generations and improve their quality with ease. Let's get started. First, remove dust from the photograph with a soft brush. A clean makeup brush or a soft paintbrush will do. Gently brush the surface of the photograph to remove all the dust particles that could later scratch the image. Next, check for fingerprints. They contain oils that can damage the paper over time. Gently wipe the surface a dry microfiber cloth in small, circular motions to remove the oils from the surface. Sometimes you may notice resilient stains on your photos. To remove them, you'll need a special photo cleaning liquid. Do not use water or glass cleaner as they can damage the print. Gently wipe the stained area and immediately blot it with a clean swab. Physical cleaning helps a lot, but the paper still ages and cracks. In that case, it's also a good idea to digitize and enhance your photos to bring them back to life. Once you've finished scanning all the pictures, continue with the image editor. We'll be using Glory, an automatic photo restoration software. We'll start with cropping uneven edges. Go to the Tools tab and choose the Crop and Rotation tool. You have options of selecting a cropping preset or using free aspect ratio. Make sure that the worn edges and unwanted details are left outside of the frame. When done, click Apply. Now, let's erase scratches and tears. Move to the Enhancement tab and click the Restore Old Photo button. The software will automatically repair the damage. If there are small defects remaining, you can fix them manually. Switch to the Retouch tab and pick the Healing Brush tool. Adjust the brush size and then click and drag over the scratches or tears. The program will blend the damaged areas with the surrounding pixels. Then, apply the changes. Next, we're going to colorize the image. Switch to the Enhancement tab and hit the Colorize black and white photo button. Click Modify manually to fine-tune some details in your picture. Set the brush size and pick the eyedropper tool to select the required shade directly from the picture. Next, paint over the area you need to color. If your picture is blurry, go to the Enhancement tab and pick the Sharpness tool. Select the Preview region on the photo to see the changes better. Move the Amount slider to the right to increase image clarity. To make the edges of objects more defined, increase the radius degree. There you have it. Now you know how to clean old photographs safely and restore them. Download Glory and give your family history a second life.